southeastern Atlantic County in southern New Jersey, southeastern Burlington County in southern New Jersey, northeastern Cape May County in southern New Jersey, southeastern Ocean County in southern New Jersey until 10 p.m. At 5:53 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts up to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that may experience flash flooding include Atlantic City, Ocean City, Barnegat, Pleasantville, Summers Point, Ventnor City, Brigantine, Northfield, Absecon, Margate City, Tuckerton, and Estill Manor. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded routes. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Please report observed flooding to local emergency services or law enforcement and request they pass this information to the National Weather Service when